morning, folks. My name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2017 3455 RL Cardinal built by Forest River. Let's step inside and take a look at some of the options in the interior. This coach is aluminum framed, vacuum bonded, constructed for extended living. Beautiful galley, rear living. It's got the freestanding table and chairs, 2 permanent chairs, 2 folding chairs, theater seating, full-size sofa. We've got overhead cabinets, all LED lights, nice entertainment area with a huge screen TV. I don't have power, but this TV actually goes down and there is a window behind it. So when you're not watching the entertainment center, you can have it down and have more window. It does have the fireplace. One of the unique things about this particular product is its pantry. As you notice, absolutely no plywood, solid wood construction, a lot of shelves, drawers. Then you've got iMac surfaces on your counters. These are built to slide right in here in this area and store, so that when you're using the stove, they're out of your way. It does have a tile backsplash. Nice convection oven. Gas grill top, gas oven, and just a huge amount of storage. If we look on the back side of this, you're going to find a lot of drawers. Drawer that's really big enough for pots, pans, whatever you're looking to put under here. Storage underneath your sink. And another full bank of drawers. It's got the big 12 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator. I'm sorry, it's the 18, not the 12. 18 cubic feet. Another nice area, kind of a built-in hutch. Place to set your coffee maker, toaster. More storage down below. Then over here on the door side, we've got a coat closet. Once again, all solid wood. Your convenience center that controls your awnings, your power slide outs, your solar, it has a solar panel. We're all located right here. Nice rail. Notice there's no carpet on the steps. One of the first areas that shows wear and carpet is steps. They've eliminated the carpet from the steps. We're going to open the bathroom here. Of course, it has a porcelain toilet. Has the oversized shower with a seat. Nice vanity. It continues the solid counter surfaces even in your sink area. Storage for linen up above. There's storage above the toilet. It's got the big fantastic fan, nice skylight, glass shower enclosure. You step into the bedroom area. You've got a king size bed, windows on both sides for nice ventilation. Comes equipped with a Dyson vacuum cleaner. Notice these closets are cedar lined. This is equipped to install a washer and dryer or additional closet space, whichever you're more comfortable with. More drawers built in. TV, more cabinet space. Another set of drawers here, all cedar lined. Your built-in Dyson's right here, shoe rack, more drawers, more hanging spot, all LED lights all the way through this coach. And it does offer 2 air conditioners. They're the Whisper Quiet Air, which very nice. They don't roar over a conversation. Much nicer than the old conventional type air conditioning systems. Let's step outside and take a look at some of the features on the exterior of the coach. This particular coach has 2 awnings. Both of them are encased in a metal cover. It's got the frameless windows. 6-point level up system. 4-step entry for easy entry and exit. And it has the 12-gallon hot water heater, quick recovery. You got nice under bay storage, huge amount of storage. It does have a battery disconnect down here. Notice your spare tires mounted, very easy to get to inside the bay. You got 1 propane cylinder here and the others on the curbside. More hitch pin system, LED strip lighting. Your LCI level up system. Push a button, automatically levels itself up. Your second bay entry, along with your docking station, which has hot water bypass, a winterizing system. All your gate valves are enclosed in the underbelly so they're not going to freeze. Exterior shower. It's got not only a front fiberglass cap, also has the rear fiberglass cap. Once again, LED lighting. You also have the small receiver back here for a back bike rack. Does have the never adjust Dexter axles. Folks, we're real proud to offer the Cardinal by Forest River. We've got several of these in stock. They're all 2017s. We'd love to have you come in, take a look, and see what we have to show you. Thank you.